recording right now, even though we can't see shit.
No. I mean, my camera can barely pick up that building. Maybe a lot of them over there. Can't pick up a smokestack. I don't know. Don't show my face.
I won't. My camera reads that shit.
Hello?
Oh, shit.
Yeah, ice.
Ice, baby.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, no, fuck.
Just to think, we're gonna have to go back through that shit.
My camera quality is shit, but we're in Finland, that's strange.
Yeah,
and we're exploring an abandoned a factory complex.
Ah, fuck.
I'm not sure what they used to make here, but this is, that I know that it's been abandoned for a while.
Yeah.
There has been some major fire outbreaks here. Like a lot of the, like there's my viewers won't be able to see shit, but there used to be a building that got burned down.
Actually, my camera can pick it up just fine.
I don't see.
Really?
Yeah, you can't see shit.
Well, mine you can barely make out a few things.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, so if you want to see my point of view or anything, just go to my channel, I think.
Yeah,
We'll probably have links to both videos. Well, mine will be uploaded a little bit later. Because, shit. I'm currently away from my home in Canada.
we're actually in Finland.
Yeah, that's right. I don't know particular about the language, that's the thing. Watch out for the ice.
Yeah. Let's get close to the building.
Yeah, this can be good factory inspiration.
Yeah.
For all you Minecrafters out there, or for you guys playing tycoon games.
This would be a like really
Where's
good
that
scene
sound?
for a horror game.
I sort of. Ooh.
It might be just the old building and the wind going through there.
That could be it.
Let's go. Alright, I think it'd be a really great place for a horror game. Of some sort.
Yeah.
That's why it reminds me of Chernobyl so much. Because of the red text in there. And the worn out building and stuff.
Mm-hmm. That big box there, I wonder what that would have been used.
Yeah, we've been on the rooftops of that building many times.
Really?
Yeah, and there. We've been exploring inside and stuff.
Oh, cool. Yeah, this is probably the most beautiful part. Cause
We used to bash all the windows in.
just to think, this place was up and running and in perfect condition.
Like maybe 40, 30 years ago?
I say more like 10.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Cause look at
No, it has been more because like during my lifetime it's been down maybe 20 years,
Yeah.
maybe 15.
So it could have closed in 1997. What's this place called?
Aga.
Oh, okay.
It's a weird word for a factory, a weird name.
That garage door has been impaled. It's probably gonna be a.
Hello? Is there anybody? Hello?
Whoa. Do not scare me like that, mate.
Look at the inside. Look there.
I feel scared. You fucking asshole.
Got you there, mate.
Can't see shit, but that is fucking huge. There's a crane right there.
Yeah. We've been playing a lot with that thing.
There's something in there.
I heard somebody walking around here somewhere.
Yeah.
Let's get more to the open so we can see what direction we're coming to. Because I heard somebody walking around here. That's fucking creepy. See anybody?
No.
Because I heard some like footsteps from somewhere. That might be.
Fucking hell, black ice.
I heard somebody.
That's a good image. It's probably just somebody thinking we're security.
Yeah. Let's get few spray cans start working. Let's go there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop the recording now.
I'm not going to. I'm gonna keep going.
I'm just going to watch your point of view.
Yeah.
For the rest of the video.
Yeah. So now we're my point of view. Hi. Welcome to the video. It's dark now. I'll just listen to you now. Yeah, like down here in fucking hell in Espoo, like
yeah.
people don't give two shits about you recording or something.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of shocking.
Yeah, people don't give a shit around here.
Yeah, I mean, I know this is an unedited video and everything, but hey, there'll probably be like 10 minutes or 11 minutes of awesomeness.
Yeah, just exploring shit.
Yeah, like this.
I wish we could go top there, but it's kind of dangerous because it's really like wet out inside. There's a lot of water, so it's really slippy.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of dangerous shit inside.
We would go inside, but I'm too much of a pansy, and we don't want to put ourselves in danger.
Too much.
Yeah, like we already are putting ourselves in a little bit of danger because of the fucking potential that we could get murdered out here.
Yeah, and you're not allowed to be in here.
Yeah.
That's kind of obvious, though.
Even though Finnish people don't give two shits. Is there something up there?
Where?
I don't know.
Don't scare me.
You fucking. Let's get you on that way.
Sure.
I think. I mean, the thing that's even more sketchy is the fact that the lights are out.
Yeah.
Oh, can people on the train see us?
No. They probably don't pay any attention.
What the fuck? Oh, that's just a leaf. I thought that was a dead cockroach.
Well,
Anyways, let's go find those trailers that we saw before we got in here.
they are in that direction. They're on the like on the other side of that whole fucking complex. Ugh, shit.
Yeah, a lot of ices around here. I'm guessing that's some sort of loading dock then.
Yeah, at least it used to be.
I know YouTube it's going to be really shitty and dark, but bear in mind this is our first time exploring an abandoned building of some sort. In fact, who knows, this might be just Jasper visits here for shits and giggles. Shit. Actually, weren't you here once?
Yeah, I've been here multiple times.
Yeah, and wasn't one time you getting almost... Fucking hell.
Yeah, I have a lot of great stories about this place.
Like, why don't you tell one of them?
Like, okay, one of the like most exciting ones was when we went here. We came here with our crew, with a lot of friends around. We're like 5 or 7 guys of us. We went inside, we bashed all the windows in, and then we climbed all the way to the like up there to the highest point of this whole fucking thing. And we were up there, and we started hearing these like really sketchy voices and sounds, and we were like, "What the fuck is going on?" Then we realized that there was another crew, just young people doing the same shit as we were doing.
Hold on. What the fuck is that over there?
I don't know. And yeah, we were on the top there. We were just laughing to another crew, and then we heard a car sound, and then we realized that there was a cop car like driving in, and everybody went like shit fucking crazy nuts because we weren't allowed to be here, of course, because it's an abandoned factory. That's scary.
I heard that too.
everybody
You see that
started.
blue light up there?
Yeah,
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. But everybody started running like hell. And
What
it
the
was actually
fuck
pretty
is
funny.
behind us?
I don't know.
Let's continue on. Cause this is freaking me the fuck out.
Just for shit and giggles.
I know I'm pointing at the ground, but that's just because I'm trying to watch for the ice.
Yeah, and one story we got
What was
like
that?
this security after us. That's happened multiple times.
What?
Like we were.
No. Did you hear that scream?
That was a whistle. Whistle.
A whistle.
Yeah, more like a whistle. Let's go back here.
Oh, let's get out of here.
Did you hear that? I heard
Yeah.
that too. Oh shit.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.